Hi everyone. The 5 E's for my book, I chose Benjamin Franklin's Big Splash. So the first one, engage, getting the students' attention by asking them questions and giving them new information. This will help them help you keep their attention and have them start thinking about what is going to be discussed in the class and starting to think of ideas. Explore, use the different types of materials and have the students explore them and how it helps people to swim. Explain, having the students or group select one potential use for the device they picked. Elaborate, how the items can be disassembled and used to create new objects. And the last one, evaluate, explore the materials that make up objects, use objects for a particular purpose, and how the components can make something new. So there are the 5 E's for my trade book.